Everyone, how you beautiful people. And today I have two piles for you, pile 1 and pile 2. Whatever you resonate with, just select that and I'm going to do the reading. And for the people, those who have selected pile 1, I have already shuffled it. Let's see what are the messages for you. So I'm breaking down this shuffle and let's see what is the message for you. Okay, indecision, blossoming abundance, and appreciation. Okay. Here the message is first I'll tell you the numbers which are important for you: number 8, number 3, and number 15. These numbers play important role during this phase, and I feel that you people you were in a state of where you were not able to take decision, and somewhere you were stuck. Now this universe wants you to move in one direction, take a decision, so that you get the feeling of abundance, you get that good things coming in your life. You need to take a decision and appreciate yourself. What you're doing is you're not appreciating yourself. The self love is lacking in you. Till the time you don't have self love in you, you cannot be blessed with abundance. This nature wants us to be very close to ourselves. Till the time we don't love ourselves, we cannot send love to others. So precisely, I will just say that start loving yourself, appreciate yourself, what you have, and sometimes you have to live with the fact. Sometimes you have to be more accepting. If you fight and if you are rebellious, you miss this. Give universe time, give yourself time. Whatever transformation, whatever the transitions which are happening in your life, it is for your betterment, for you to learn something. Everything that comes in your life comes with the teaching, comes with the lesson. And here I have an extra message for you. Okay, this is thinking man. I really feel that you people will be guided by somebody. A man really plays very important role in your life. Somebody, or for female there's a male, and for male there's a female who actually is playing very important role in their life, and they are guiding you. They are guiding you in a right way. They could be your spiritual teacher, they could be your friend, anyone. Just look around and see who is that vibrant person around you who's guiding you and very close to you, making you feel good in every circumstances. All right, so take decisions, move in right direction, and love yourself. That is very important, so that you get that energy of abundance in all directions of your life. Your life need abundance. When you feel good, you are abundant. When you feel bad, you are lacking what universe is giving to you. Start accepting yourself. Okay, now I'll go to the second pile. This was for the first pile. Let's see what is there in the second pile. Okay, I break down the shuffle here. Here I have celebration, nice, control, and fighting. Okay, people, for the second pile, I really feel that you people need to be happy. The same message I'm getting for in the second pile also, that there is a feeling of fighting with things, trying to handle things the way you want. Sometimes it is not in your hand. Go with the flow and celebrate what you have. Okay, it is more of your emotions need to be in your emotions need to go in a flow. You cannot hold them. You're holding your emotions, you're just fighting with people, fighting with the time which is not needed. That fighting spirit, if somebody is coming to you with good feeling and you are giving back in harsh words, which is not acceptable, like people are not liking that, and you're trying to control, you just want to take hold of each and everything, you want to rule. Stop fighting with that. Stop fighting with yourself. Stop taking control. Just celebrate this time. Okay, you have to be good to yourself. Love yourself. Self love is very important, as I always preach. And if you let go things and stop fighting, for sure this moment is there in your life. What you're doing, you're not just enjoying it, you're just trying to take control, fighting with people, fighting with yourself, and holding yourself so tightly that you're not letting others also enter your life. If somebody is trying to come closer to you, you're just running away from them. You're lying to yourself. It's a deceitful thing that you're doing to yourself. All right, so please let go things, stop fighting, stop arguing people, and enjoy the moment. Be what you are. You are a happy soul, so connect with yourself, meditate, and feel that happiness. This will go if you let those feelings flow. Let it go and enjoy. Show your creative side. Communicate, talk to people, express yourself. Expression is lacking here. Emotions are lacking here. Express and see how people will connect with you. Okay? Alright, I hope you resonate with it. If you resonate with it, push a like button and share and subscribe. And be good to yourself. God bless you all. Bye-bye.